Hello everyone, my name is Ariana. Today we're going to read a story called What's That Noise? A noisy start. We all make noise. We start as soon as we are born. Noise is measured in decibels. A baby crying is 60 decibels on the noise-o-meter. That is loud as my alarm clock. Okay, whoopsies. Shh, I'm sleeping. Some people make noise in their sleep. That is loud as a drill. Snoring can be 70 decibels on the noise-o-meter. Feeling noise. People who are deaf can feel noise. Evelyn Glennie is a deaf musician. Noise makes things vibrate. Evelyn Glennie uses vibration to help her play. Evelyn's music is 95 decibels on the noise-o-meter. Breaking glass. The human voice makes vibrations. Some singers can break glass with their voice. A loud note can make the glass vibrate a crack. A loud note can make the glass vibrate and crack. Lift off. Wait a moment, please. That's perfect. No, didn't miss it. A rocket flying into space makes lots of noise. The engine is so loud it hurts your ears. Warning! Noise over 140 decibels damage your hearing. Under the sea. The loudest animal is the blue whale. The loudest animal is the blue whale. Whales make noises that can move a long way under the water. A blue whale is a moment, please. Over 105, I think. A long way under the water. Blue whales can hear each other from very far away. The blue whale is the biggest and the loudest animal. The biggest bank. One of the loudest noises ever heard came from a volcano. The volcano was called a Krakatoa. It made a bang so loud that people could hear it in other countries. That is 190 decibels on the noise-o-meter. Making a noise. Breathing. 10 decibels. Talking. 50 decibels. Baby crying. 60 decibels. Loud snoring. 70 decibels. Drumming. 9 decibels. Loud singing. 100 decibels. Thunder crashing. 102 decibels. Rocket taking off. 150 decibels. 120 decibels. Blue whale calling. 180 decibels. Krakatoa erupting. 190. We're done the story. Bye, everyone.